Welcome back, everyone. Logan Anderson here from allstrongfitness.org, back with another inclusive fitness and health video for you today. If you are an older adult who struggles with falling and you're looking to improve your overall quickness and agility to hopefully reduce the risk of these falls, we have a great exercise that will help you to improve your quickness right away and work on that ability to ultimately not fall. So if you enjoy these types of videos, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We make a lot of videos on inclusive fitness and health, making fitness accessible for individuals of all abilities. I really appreciate you taking some time to check the video. If you are ready for that agility exercise right there, we are going to go ahead and begin right now. Alright, so falling is something that is super prevalent with individuals that are older or have mobility impairments. A lot of times their gait's unsteady, they might have some visual problems which affects their balance. So we're trying to do a lot of different things to improve their overall quickness to hopefully catch themselves and be able to move quickly without falling. That's kind of the whole idea with a lot of these drills. So I'm going to show you a great exercise today and kind of some of the equipment I'm using. I'm using a resistance band. This is actually just going to be used as kind of a marker. I'm actually going to set this down about just maybe like 3 to 5 feet. Ideally you want about 5 feet in front of you. And then you're just going to get a nice sturdy chair. So this one's like a weight bench chair. I'll put some general product recommendations in the description with my Amazon affiliate link. Feel free to check those out if you like. But essentially, this is going to be the general setup. So you're going to have some type of marker. You could use tape or something right there. And then you're going to have a nice steady chair. And again, the premise of these exercises is to improve your quickness so you reduce the risk of falling, right? So for this exercise, you're going to start in your chair. And then all we're actually doing is standing up as fast as we can, running or at least half walking towards that thing or towards the marker. And we're trying to stop before we get there. So we're trying to decelerate. So I'm going to show you once, stop, and then you stop, right? So you're going up as quickly as you can. And I know I'm going quick in this position, and that's kind of the idea. You're trying to practice actually getting out of the chair and then stopping your body. So up and stop. Good. So you're going to move through this exercise quite a few times, quite a few repetitions. And if you're really good at it, you can actually push that thing back a little bit, so you can push the line back, and that's actually going to give you a little more time to get some momentum, which is ultimately going to make it harder for you to stop. So if that's a little too hard to begin with from the start, you can actually bring the band a little bit closer. It's going to make the deceleration portion of this a little bit less. So as you can see, if I did it that time, it was only like one step before I had to stop decelerating. So if you're doing this exercise, you'll probably notice immediately when you get out of the chair, you're working a lot of your balance, you're working a lot of your agility to reduce the risk of falls, right? That's the whole idea with these. So that's the whole premise. And when you're going through this, go at your own comfort level. I always tell people we want to go as quickly as we can, but not so quickly that we're falling over and we're hurting ourselves. So this is definitely a good place to start. And the really cool thing about this exercise too is you're also going to get a little bit of leg strengthening. So when I'm coming out of this too, I'm really stopping myself and using my leg muscles in a low impact way to stop myself from going forward. So thank you again for clicking on the video. This is a really good functional way that you can practice reducing the risk of falls, and actually all from the comfort of your home. You'll notice some results super quickly. Just keep at it, make sure you're being consistent with these drills. That's the only way you're going to get steadier on your feet. But if you did enjoy this type of video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, and allstrongfitness.org, you can find some more inclusive fitness and health information. If you enjoyed this agility exercise, I'm going to recommend you check out this video right here. That's going to give you a few more agility drill options for yourself as well. So thanks again for clicking on the video, and we'll see you in the next one.
I'm out of it, to tell me